in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about seeing how much RAM is installed on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is right-click on a blank area of the taskbar and select Task Manager. And then there should be an item over here on the left that looks like a little hamburger icon. You may have to click on it to show all the options here. Select Performance and then select Memory on the right. And this will tell you how much RAM you have installed on your system. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.